everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Neil. I'm out here at the Guardian Conference. We are just goofing around at this point, having some fun, testing some product. We're testing the Tactical RX.
Hey Aspers, would you join me today in welcoming the newest sponsor of Active Self-Protection, Mr. Target. Mr. Target is the sponsor of today's video. If you're looking for excellently engineered steel targets that will withstand thousands and thousands of pistol, rifle, or shotgun rounds, Mr. Target is my go-to resource. They've got self-sealing rubber targets too, and you can see us use them all the time on the Active Self-Protection Extra YouTube channel. Hit the link in the description to check Mr. Target out, and be sure to thank them for sponsoring today's video.
You probably saw the video, and if you haven't, we'll link to it. Go check us out. Shooting the Eric shooting it with a shotgun, and we had a whole lot of fun with that. I should have those in my hands right now, and I just realized I'm not.
You know.
I want to introduce you to Mr. Pumpkin Patch, my good friend Tyler Tharp here.
Patches of pumpkin is what it was a couple weekends ago.
Is that, yeah, there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually shoot the, here we go, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
So you may or may not have seen these online already, but on the last thing, but this is one that took some birdshot at 10 yards, and they are still actually in pretty good shape. So we're pretty excited about this. We're going to try a little bit of an extended shot here. And the pump, if you don't know what the pumpkin patch is, maybe I should link to me getting it before you did.
You should.
Yeah.
You should. I don't have video proof of me doing it.
So it's 3 shots at 10 yards. And they all have to be touching.
Yeah, yeah.
And you get 3 chances. You have to do it on video. If you do and send it to him, you get a patch from him.
Yep.
I sucked out of this thing and got it on my very first try. But
Nice.
I'm gonna hang on to that trophy forever that I got it on my first try, because I did it with my future son-in-law who hasn't got it yet. So thank you for allowing me to keep him humble.
Absolutely.
Anyway, Tyler is a great shooter. He comes to our national conference. He teaches there, and so if you want to come train with him, you can. Also, where are you at?
All over the place, man. Have gun, real travel type of thing. I'm based out of Central Mississippi. Hit up the synergyshooting.com website to learn more.
All right. So we're going to shoot these things at about 25 yards.
Yeah, that sounds good. That's where I zero the pistols anyway.
All right, cool.
Rock on.
All right. Pick up your spot here. We'll get the camera settled. Try not to screw this up.
Roger that. We good?
Yeah, you're good.
Just underneath the edge of it.
Yep.
Oh, I yanked the crap out of that bad boy. Is it still low?
Yeah, you're low.
This is 25 yards, right?
Yeah, you're about 20.
Probably 22.
All right, aim higher. Aim higher. Got it.
There he goes. Okay, so for any of you at home that want to talk trash to Tyler Tharp, go do this first. Yeah, I want to see your video before you talk trash, because that's a hard shot. Good job.
Let's go do it.
Go find these things. All right, so we searched and found Tyler is like I said, he's a darn good shooter. He literally shot right in the middle of the frame, snapped the frames right in half there, but the round hit, and what are you shooting?
Gold dot 124 plus P.
There you go. And it hit right here on the corner. Didn't even break the frame, the lens. We found the lens. But what we've done is, because it broke the frames, and there's a other piece of it, we've got the other one down there, and we're gonna try again to get it dead center hit there. And again, if you want to talk trash about Tyler's shooting, you have to post your video first.
I don't mind. Talk it anyway. All right, let's see. Hold a little higher. Let's redo that same shot that I did earlier. Let's see what happens. I'll tell you what, we'll turn the brightness down 1 to see what happens there. Low and to the right.
Go right, yep.
Low and to the left. That was really awesome. Did y'all get that on camera?
I think you knocked it off. I think you hit it. I think you knocked it off at least.
It fell one way or the other.
It fell, yeah. Go ahead and holster up, because it fell straight down.
Well, not at least.
All right, so we knocked it off of the target here. We've got it reset. We're trying again. Here we go.
All right, third time's a charm.
Huh?
Third time's a charm, right?
Third time's a charm. That was only 2. Third time's a charm.
Just keep swimming. Hit that like and subscribe button if you know where that's from.
You hit it.
I think you hit it. All right, let's see. You're clear.
Fourth time's charm. We nicked it on this one. We're going to try it one more again.
Yep.
Apparently the just keep swimming thing worked.
Yep.
So.
Low.
Freaking low again. Oh, just off that left edge.
Yep.
Oh, I got it that time.
I think, did you?
Yeah.
Keep moving forward.
Still low. I don't see that one.
It's getting lower. How is it getting lower? I'm holding in the same spot and picking it up a little bit. Well, that's all I got.
All right, let's go see it. All right, well, we're going to show you this one. He hit the exact same spot twice on this. The first time he took just a little bit off the bottom and it ran it through, and the second time he hit a little bit more off the bottom. Tyler, first off, it's a hard shot, right?
Yeah.
And second off, you don't want to get shot in the face with a 9mm, especially, you said that you're shooting gold dots?
124 plus C. And third off, I could have swore this thing was 0 to 25. Maybe I should check that every once and
Hey,
again.
maybe that's another clue. So learning all the fun stuff. Hey guys, thanks for watching this stuff. Again, thanks to the Tactical RX guys for this. There's a link in the description. There better be. If there's not, send me a text and I'll get one in there. Sometimes we forget that because I post these way too far out. But these are some cool stuff. You're wearing them.
Yep, sure am. The yellow and it's overcast and raining, so
Yeah.
this works out perfect.
Yeah, so it's been a fun weekend. We're having a good one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.